Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the Superdeal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Anypro Portable Washing Machine. Both machines are designed for small spaces, but they offer different features and functionalities. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best for your laundry needs. The first point of comparison is the automation type of each machine. The Superdeal is a semi-automatic washing machine, meaning you will need to manually transfer clothes between the washer and spinner. This can be a bit of a hassle, especially if you have a larger load. On the other hand, the Anypro is fully automatic, allowing you to load your clothes and let the machine do all the work without any manual intervention. This feature makes the Anypro a more convenient option for those who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. Next, let's talk about capacity. The Superdeal has a washing capacity of 8 pounds, which is suitable for small loads. However, if you have a larger family or need to wash more clothes at once, the Anypro offers a significantly larger capacity of 17.8 pounds. This means you can wash more clothes in a single cycle, saving you time and effort in the long run. For those who prioritize capacity, the Anypro is clearly the better choice. Finally, let's compare the additional features of each machine. The Superdeal is straightforward with basic washing functions, making it easy to use but lacking advanced features. In contrast, the Anypro comes equipped with multiple wash programs, child lock, and a stainless steel drum, which enhances its durability and functionality. These advanced features make the Anypro a more versatile option for users who want more control over their washing experience. In conclusion, both the Superdeal and Anypro portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The Superdeal is an excellent choice for those on a budget or with limited laundry needs, while the Anypro offers more features and larger capacity for those who require a more comprehensive washing solution. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.